In this guide video, you are going to get paid $5 to $8 every 30 seconds. In this, you don't need skills and experience or not any investment. So, without further ado, let's jump into the step-by-step guide. This site we will be using today to get paid a lot of money online in SpareZ.com. Make your video go viral, and this platform is simple and easy to use, so you put your video in front of a wide audience to make sure your video is seen. Get big results in the smallest budget. This will grow your video popularity. This platform is very useful for those who are struggling to get views on their videos and get more exposure. Now, I really love this platform is they have a 5-star rating. So here you can ask a question that are we going to make YouTube videos and then using SpareZ.com? So this is a website which we are going to use to make money online. So here you can say make your videos go viral. This platform is giving us a wide audience to spread our video. So here you can see they have 5-star reviews. Here you can actually see here they have worked with brands that Honda and Discover Institute and bunch more. They are using their platform. And if you are thinking that this website is fake, you can go out on trustpilot.com and see here reviews SpareZ.com. So they have reviews 305.9 and they have 4.6 reviews on trustpilot.com. You can now trust on this website. So here is question in your mind that what SpareZ.com work. So here you can see they are targeting YouTube channels. They don't have a exposure on YouTube. So you can see here provide keywords and description they are saying, and they promote their channels and give them audience using YouTube ads in a cheap rate, and they will spread your video as you want. And here you can see that who's are working with SpareZ right now. So here you can see in different niches they are using this. So here is in different niches. Here you can say app in Android, health and beauty, vlogging and website, e-commerce, educational, book and authors, TV and music. So here you can see 10,000s of YouTube creators they benefits from this website. So here is the thing which we are going to use reducing these. So here when you come upon at the bottom of this website SpareZ.com, you can see here affiliate program and click here. We are going to use their affiliate program to get paid for us. So here you can think that how we can do affiliate programs. Either you don't have any kind of audience to share. Don't worry, at the end of video I'm going to show you a bonus tip to promote SpareZ.com. So here you can see here the downfall of this website is they are going to pay us only 20% standard, but it's enough for us if you do lot of affiliate sales. So here you come up on here and write first name, last name, email address and password and click I am not robot and agree term and condition and sign up. When you sign up and get your affiliate link, then the bonus tip is here. Come up on Google and type how to grow YouTube channel and open any article. So here I have opened this article. So here are 16 effective ways to promote your YouTube channel. So you can see here and copy this 16 steps, paste in Google Docs. So here we are copied in Google Docs. So here is a bonus tip. You can give your link at the end of this article. So here we are giving our links. You copy this and you provide your affiliate link here and click here share. Yeah, share, save. You can copy link here. Whenever you copy your link, this is a final bonus tip to you how to spare your this link to get affiliate sale and earn money online effectively. So why this now? Go to Facebook and type YouTube promotion. Yeah, type YouTube promotion affiliate sales. So here you can see there are bunch of YouTube groups and YouTube pages to give you sales. So here is a bonus tip that join these groups and take affiliate sale from there. They have a needy peoples who wants to grow their YouTube channels. Yeah, that's right. So go and give content to group and get your focus. Then people message you to how to group your YouTube channel. You can give them that Google Docs link. They will read and click that ad and they will give you affiliate sale. So that's for today. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.